Welcome back. I have Lori Renaud, who's with Ackti-Kare, and then we have Nicolette Araujo. I knew I'd probably mispronounce that, but nonetheless, they're both part of a group called the Silver Group. Well, welcome both of you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for having us.
So, Lori, before we talk about the Silver Group, let's get an update with you.
Yes.
How are things going?
Everything's going great. I love working here with the residents in the village. It's so much fun, and the referrals are coming in, so I'm as happy as can be. Happy clients make me very happy.
Oh, good, good. Is there anything new going on?
No, pretty much the same thing. I'm still offering a first day free, so if people want to give us a try, give me a call and we'll hook them up.
So still first day free, so make sure you reach out to you. Well, excellent. So tell me a little bit about the Silver Group and how you guys are connected.
Okay, sounds good. Actually, Nicolette, would you like to take the lead on that one?
I'd be happy to. So I think it's really a very neat story in that each one of us, we're all professionals that have chosen to play a role with seniors. And the reason this came about and the reason we kind of gelled together into this partnership is all of us had a personal experience where we were overwhelmed, in crisis, and didn't know what to do because we had a loved one who needed additional help and we didn't know where to turn. And so that experience first caused all of us to go into the industry to really focus with seniors, and then secondarily was a bond that caused our friendship and our partnership to develop.
Okay.
So the way the group works is we're all partners, but it's like a one-stop shop. You can call a professional in our group and we can help with home care, is my specialty, as you know. Nicolette helps with placement. We have realtors that are specialized in serving the seniors. We have legal advice, financial advice, a whole conglomerate of trusted professionals that specialize in caring for seniors.
So is it a free service, or how does that work?
It absolutely is a free service. And what we're really looking to do, we found more and more now that there's a need in what's called the sandwich generation, where there are individuals who are working professionals who have children at home, either in high school or college, and then they've got their elderly parents as well, and they're trying to juggle those things. And so we're really seeing that there's a need there for some additional advisement and additional help. And as Lori mentioned, they can contact the Silver Group. It's one single contact, and then we can work with them on identifying what their family's needs are and bringing them the support they need through this vetted network of professionals.
Right. Now, I actually had this experience about 3 years ago where my mother was ill and she was in a care place, and then my father got sick. So you're trying to drive around to do all this stuff, plus I've got kids at home. So that is, I totally understood. I just didn't know what the sandwich, but now I'm like, oh, totally
that's you, right?
Because you're trying to do all this stuff for your parents and your kids. So what is the best way for them to get in touch with you? Is it a phone number, an email?
Either one. Both of them are listed there on the screen. That is the phone number or email. Their website, the information is on the website, and there's a contact form there as well. But like Nicolette said, the majority of the word we hear all the time is I'm overwhelmed. So if there are people out there feeling overwhelmed, it's one phone call and we can help guide them.
How long have you been around, the Silver Group?
Each individually, we've been in business over how many combined?
Oh my gosh, over 100 and some years actually.
Together. But we formed the Silver Group last year.
Oh, okay. Okay, great.
Yeah, so our partnership just developed last year, but we've been doing this for a very, very long time. We just found that we had a real synergy, and we understood after working with clients for that many years that it really made sense to have one single point of contact as opposed to adding to the overwhelmedness, if there's such a word, by having 6 or 7 people to call in the process.
Right. Well, one thing I hear, looking at your brochure, you said you have legal help as well. When would someone need legal help?
So they may need that when they're doing estate planning. They may actually be the children of a loved one who had a trust and they don't know how to administer the trust. So there are many instances like that that come up all the time.
It's pretty shocking how many people don't have trust. And then we have to guide through the probate process.
Yeah, which you don't want to do. Why give more money to that government? You know? We don't want to do that. What is the #1 service that you get called about?
Downsizing, you think?
Downsizing is really a big,
Downsizing.
and that downsizing may come in various forms. It may come in the form of someone moving into a smaller home because they're running around a 4,000 square foot place and it's just them, or it may be that they're moving into an assisted living or memory care community.
Okay, all right, well, good. And then you said you have real estate agents within your service
Yes.
that would be able to help them, right?
Absolutely.
Yep.
Okay, excellent. Well, excellent. Now, is there do you guys have an event or anything that's coming up where you will be maybe presenting this?
Right. Well, we do have a large presentation we are giving this Thursday at Norman P. and Murray
Oh,
at
okay.
1 p.m. We
All
have
right.
over 70 people signed up for that, so that one might be full. But throughout the summer, we really do many educational speaking
Okay,
events.
great.
So we will get those posted up on the website if people are more interested.
That would be great. Then that way they can just go straight there and kind of find out,
Exactly.
because I know that
Absolutely.
people
Yes.
will have a lot of questions
Yes,
about how
sure.
you work and all the things that you provide. So.
And people don't know their options.
Well, they don't. No, they
No,
don't.
they don't
I mean,
know.
I didn't even know that you had something. It's always great to have one phone call or one website to go to find everything. So that's great.
Absolutely.
Well, thank you so much, both
All
of
right.
you. And then if you have more questions, you can always email them at askus@silvergroup.info, or you can go to silvergroup.info. Phone number 354-3690. All right, thank you again. It was
Thank
very
you,
nice
Lisa.
to see you and
Thank
very
you for
nice
having
to meet
us.
you.
All right.
And we'll be right back after this.